Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore clean books in Xero for US contractor expenses, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore clean books in Xero for US contractor expenses, start by logging into your Xero account. Navigate to the dashboard and select your organization. Go to the Accounting tab in the main menu. Click on Bank Accounts to view all connected bank accounts. Identify the account associated with your contractor expenses. Select the appropriate bank account to view its transactions. Review any unreconciled transactions in the feed. Filter the transactions by entering a date range that reflects your contractor expenses. Look for any duplicates or erroneous entries related to contractors. For each erroneous entry, click on it to open the transaction details. Choose Ignore if the transaction is unnecessary or incorrect. Next, select any contractor bills that have not been reconciled. Go to the Business tab in the main menu and click on Bills to Pay. Locate the contractor bills that need to be reviewed. Click on each bill to enter its details. Ensure that all bills accurately reflect the services provided by contractors. Check for any discrepancies in amounts or dates. If a bill is incorrect, select the option to delete or edit as necessary. After managing the bills, navigate back to the Accounting tab. Click on Reconcile to start reconciling your bank statements. Follow the prompts to match transactions from your bank feed to Xero entries. Ensure every contractor expense is paired with its corresponding transaction. If you find any unmatched transactions, investigate them for potential errors. Once all transactions are matched, proceed to finalize the reconciliation. Check the reconciliation report to confirm all contractor expenses are recorded. To ensure accuracy, generate a profit and loss report. Review the report for any unexpected expenses or discrepancies. Make any further adjustments if needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.